Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Dancehall, skilla.
Hey, Wagwan, me there again, you know. Blessed manners and respect to each and every one. I let everyone, alright? Here, me people. So, I am going to present to you a certain amount of videos that I saw on social media and they somewhat caught my attention. Alright, so, my people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person who went inside of a business place that some people might call a supermarket, and the person put a certain amount of things that's inside of the place at the time in a type of bag that the person was carrying. Oh, and let me point out, my viewers, subscribers, that at one point I was wondering if these pieces of videos had been recorded on the same day. Well, anyways, my people, take a look at the date on these pieces of videos. This is the date on one of the videos that I'm about to present to you, and this is the date on the other. I'm going to present this video to you, and then I'm going to present another video to you that's going to show some things that happened when the person went to the cashier area, as also people might call it. So take a look at this video, my people, and then I'm going to show you certain things that happened after. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. So that's one of the videos right there, some people. So take a look at this video now and listen carefully to some words that I did said in this video. Listen carefully. Listen for yourself. Hold on, there's something that I've been thinking, my people. Hold on, there's something that I've been thinking. Alright, so if you listen to the video carefully, my people, you can get the understanding that someone confronted the person about whatsoever was inside the person's bag. And in my point of view, what the person had done. Take a look at the amount of things, or take a look at this video and tell me the amount of things that I think the person removed from the bag. Look for yourself, my people. Tell me the amount of things you think you see the person removed from the bag in this video. I hope you see that part there. Okay. Now I take a look at the next video and tell me the amount of things you think the person put inside of the bag. My people, look for yourself. Observe. So based on what you see in those pieces of videos, viewers and subscribers, I mean, tell me what you think. I mean, in my point of view, I look on the date on those two pieces of videos, which made me come to a conclusion. And one of the pieces of videos shows some things that happen when a person said certain words first. But based on what I see in those pieces of videos, have me thinking. I not jump to the conclusion in certain ways, but I point out certain things. Leave a comment in the comments, let me know what you think, viewers, subscribers. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when there was a struggle between at least two persons, right in the presence of at least one law enforcer. I mean, this video is going to show some things that happened when there was a type of fight between at least two persons, right in the presence of at least one police officer. I got the understanding that during the struggle or the fight, one of those persons who was involved in the struggle or the fight was inside of a motor vehicle, and the other person was standing on the outside of the motor vehicle, viewers, subscribers, and there was hitting and pushing and pulling between those persons and the viewers, subscribers. And there was at least one law enforcer was trying to de-escalate the situation, but a part of the video showed something that I've been thinking. A part of the video shows some things that happened when someone held on to at least part of the type of clothes that the law enforcer was wearing and pulled the law enforcer in a certain type of way. Now, I wonder what this whole situation might have been about. I don't have any confirmed information to determine what might have caused the situation, and I do not have any confirmed information to determine exactly where the video will be recorded. See me? I'm not even sure how many persons might have been involved in this whole situation. But in my point of view, some things obviously happen in this video, it look away. But anyways, let me present the video to you, my viewers, subscribers. And just to make it very clear, the video that I'm about to present to you do not have any audio, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. So there's a video right there for people. Hold on, you see a part of my thinking. Watch. Watch, I know. It did. I wonder what could I really actually cause all them kind of sitting there. What could have caused that? Set away, my people. It set away. It really actually set away. Me I wonder what kind of anger. Me I wonder how much persons might have held on to the law enforcement at one point and all them things. That part they look away in my point of view still. But anyways, the thing about it is though, viewers, subscribers, see, I'm not sure if I said this, but I'm not sure how many persons might have been involved when it comes down to whatsoever might have caused that situation and are the situation. But you see, in my point of view, I think it is best for everybody to talk over the differences. That right there, so it look away. It look away. Huh? Yeah, so that video I've been posted on social media, that video caught my attention. It really and truly look away. Let me move on to another topic with people. Leave your comment or comments, let me know the thing. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened at the scene of where one motor vehicle collided with at least one motor vehicle via subscribers. Now, I'm not sure how many motor vehicles might have been involved in this accident. I got the understanding that one of the motor vehicles that I can see in the video have the markings of what some people might call taxi within the country of Jamaica. And me notice, me see one red license plate and so forth. The thing is, my people, is the position that I saw those damaged motor vehicles in the video that have me thinking. I'm wondering what might have caused such an accident. And if so be the case, I'm wondering which motorist might have been at fault when it comes down to the accident where one motor vehicle collided with at least one motor vehicle and so on. I didn't get any confirmed information to determine about any injury or anything like that. Set away. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. So that's how my people. Look at the position of those damaged motor vehicles. Look at
Yo, Grang! Yo, Grang!
My people, me not act like me perfect, you know. No, me not gonna act like me perfect because accident can and sometimes do happen. But please, me I beg each and every motorist, please use the road safely for yourself and for others. I'm not blaming anyone because I don't have any confirmed information as to what might have caused the situation. But please just try your best to use the road safely. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person had been held by police and the person was behaving a certain type of way during subscribers. I mean, the way the person was behaving, it had me wondering different things about the person. You know, at one point, I'm wondering what the person might be thinking, and I'm wondering about the person's mental health. I'm wondering certain things, as I say. But we're not going to jump to the conclusion because everybody's not the same. Some people might deal with certain situations a certain type of way, while some people might deal a certain type of way. I'm not sure what to say. But look at the video for yourself and leave a comment or comments. Let me know what I think about the person's behavior or what I think about what the person was doing that had been held by the police. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. So, if me wonder about the person's mental health and or about the person's behavior, would you blame me to wonder based on what we seen in the video? Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, you know, and big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, I'm Minion Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.